Hi everyone and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making this 6 or 9 as part of our number series. If you're interested in pairing this number up with any other numbers, then go ahead and check the links in the description for my other numbers because they should all be roughly the same size and font. For this project you're going to need a size G or 6 crochet hook and some size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn. To get started, go ahead and attach the yarn to your crochet hook and chain 9. From here, go ahead and turn your chain so that you can access these back bumps back here, and we're going to place a double crochet in the third back bump from our crochet hook. Then we're going to continue placing double crochets in the back bumps until we get to the end of our row. And once you reach the end of your row, instead of turning or anything, we're just going to continue placing double crochets in this back bump until we have a total of 14 double crochets inside of it. And once you have your 14 double crochets, go ahead and find the first couple of double crochets you placed in that back bump, and in the second one that you place, go ahead and place a slip stitch. From here we're going to tie off our yarn. And it might be beneficial to grab your last tail and kind of sew it through a couple of these stitches here to get this circle to lie perfectly on your long piece. So whether you're making a 9 or a 6, this is what it should look like. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.